The Sidewinder watch is the perfect cable management tool for your Apple Watch charger. First, feed the cable through the internal slot. Pull the cable head all the way through and snap into place. Then, wind up the charger, clip it in, you're good to go.
Sir, have you by chance seen a silver carry-on luggage anywhere? I just had it a few seconds ago. Someone took it.
Well, that's terrible news. Who would do such a thing?
Who knows?
Oh. Well, can you describe it for me? Maybe I can get security on this.
Sure. It's called a Sky Ballet luggage. You can't miss it. It's got the logo right on top. It's got this wireless charger that pops out on the back. It charges your phone wirelessly. I was just using it.
Wow. Damn, that sounds amazing. I'm definitely making a note of that.
Yeah, world's first.
You know, as awesome as that is, I don't think security is going to be able to see that. Do you have a more visual description?
Right, yes. It has these jagged, wavy wheels called shark wheels. It allows the bag to cross over any kind of rough surface you can think of. Tactile pavement, dirt, forky things, you name it.
That is cool. These are fishy wheels?
Shark
wheels. Got it. That was my bad. Sorry.
It also has this magnetic front pocket that pops out at the touch of a button. I use it to put my laptop in there or anything that I need easy access to.
Interesting. Continue. Go on.
It has USB charging ports on the top so that you can charge any other device that you might have.
And what else?
And it has these zippers that interconnect into the bag on the top that you can lock via the Sky Ballet app.
That's great. Keep going.
And it's all powered by this portable battery, which you can then remove if it dies and you can charge it. And I think that's it.
Wow. I have never heard of a more stealable bag. I mean, I would take this bag if I was into that kind of thing.
Thank you.
Yeah. If you could just take a seat around the corner, I've got everything that I need, and I'll get security tracking this right away.
Oh my God. How could I forget? It has GPS tracking. This thing can be located worldwide.
Oh, wow, that's awesome.
Yeah, it's this new feature that you can add, and this model has it. It kind of does.
Reliable, is it?
Oh, yes, very.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. That's strange.
What's that?
It says it's right in front of me.
Oh, that's broken. That's not working.
Is that my bag?
Oh, look at that. It is a luggage, and it is similar to your luggage.
It says Sky Ballet on the top right there.
Okay, well, that's a snazzy logo. I don't know how this got here. It's quite a mystery to me.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. I'm just gonna hand this. There you go.
I'll have your job for this.
Everyone loves traveling. we all love to explore the amazing place around the world. And most importantly, shopping. We all want to pack every souvenir or anything we bought into the luggage. But we all face the same problem when we pack. No matter how you organize, the size of them will still be too much. In the end, we cannot put everything in the luggage but make ourselves tired. Oh, and the dirty clothes that's kicking off during the trip. We don't even want to mix it with new clothes. Or maybe there is no space for it already. Hello Kickstarter, I'm Jennifer. As a traveler, we are thinking about how to make more space in a very short time. And after our research, we found out clothes, bags, and other sort of things occupy more than 50% of the luggage for a 5-day trip. So that's why we create Vaygo, a miracle solution of making more space in a very short time. Now, we only need to do is to put our clothes into Vaygo bag. Think about it. Put on Vaygo, plug in power, and push the button. Vaygo will automatically shrink your clothes. You can enjoy your time in the hotel or any other place while Vaygo is doing its job. Don't worry. This intelligent Vaygo will automatically stop when the process is finished. The only thing you need to do is put in the shrunk vacuum bag into your luggage. We can also use portable battery to recharge Vaygo. We believe this convenient design could make shopaholic to buy more. Remember those dirty clothes? Vaygo vacuum bag could prevent smelly smell and germ, so you can keep luggage clean and use more space efficiently in the same time to make your overall trip even more convenient. So we use the general micro USB cable for the recharge design. Create extra space for your luggage to let every space count. Currently, Vaygo will have 4 colors and will have more color collection in the near future. Each Vaygo will come with vacuum bag for clothes and soft stuffs. Now Vaygo is in the modeling design process, and we have a really great team to make it even better. We will appreciate if you can support and plus this product. And we are sure Vaygo can make your trip more relaxed, more convenient, and let you bring more souvenir and memory home. Thank you for watching.
In the palm of your hand, the most advanced computers in human history. Electric self-driving cars with artificial intelligence. Even dreams of visiting Mars could be within reach. Life has gone through some amazing changes. So, isn't it time you demanded more from your wallet? Introducing Waller, your super smart wallet plus tag tracking technology for all your valuables, bringing next generation functionality into the palm of your hand. Waller adds a touch of class wherever life may take you. Thin enough to attach to almost anything. Your state-of-the-art Waller tags track anything you can't afford to lose. Your cards, keys, passport, and everything in between. Let's say you're running late. Why waste time frantically looking everywhere for your keys? Waller transforms finding anything into a secret agent experience. Scan the room, and our revolutionary augmented reality shows you exactly where they are. Simply tag it, app it, and trust you'll never lose it. The smart global tracking system helps you save the day in the tightest of situations. Get notified when you leave your wallet behind before it's too late. Then find it in seconds with your state-of-the-art GPS tracker integrated in every wallet and available worldwide. When you're always on the go, Waller makes sure you're always prepared. Top-of-the-line RFID blocking keeps your cards safe from card skimming and identity theft. And when your battery is running low, Waller helps you charge your phone wirelessly with a perfectly integrated power bank that's also 100% removable, so you can breeze through airport security without a hitch. When you forget your phone, Waller notifies you and helps you find it with the touch of a button. Plus, every Waller comes with a compact fast charging dock. Great for charging your Waller and your mobile phone. Waller connects you to what's important and keeps all your valuables safe, anytime, anywhere. Now that's peace of mind. Priceless.
How to use the Minipresso GR, a step-by-step guide. The first step is to pull the cup from the top of the Minipresso. Next, unscrew the portafilter. Then remove the filter basket from the Minipresso and using the included scoop, add 8 grams of finely ground coffee. Lightly tamp the coffee in the filter basket using the bottom of the scoop as a tamp. Place the filter basket into the Minipresso. Screw on the portafilter. Next, unscrew the water tank and add hot boiling water up to the line. Screw on the water tank. Unlock the piston by twisting it counterclockwise. Pump the Minipresso to extract the espresso. Enjoy.
Access clean drinking water wherever you go with LifeStraw. It is a small, ultralight water filter that frees you from carrying drinking water by removing harmful bacteria, parasites, and microplastics to keep you safe on your adventures. Using it is simple. Open the caps, prime the filter for 10 seconds, take a few quick sips to get the water flowing, and then you can drink freely. When finished, just blow the water out of the filter, replace the caps, and off you go. Ideal for outdoor adventures, travel, and emergencies, LifeStraw filters a minimum of 1,000 gallons of water, equivalent to roughly 4 years of clean drinking water. Most importantly, your purchase has impact. For every LifeStraw product you purchase, a child in need receives safe water for an entire school year. Over 1 million children are receiving clean water today,